Have you ever wondered how deeply rooted our traditions are in the sands of time? Time-honored traditions, they serve as invisible threads weaving together the fabric of our societies. Each thread, a story, a ritual, a celebration that has survived the relentless march of time. Today, we embark on a chronological journey from the echoes of the oldest known traditions to the vibrant hues of the most recent. Join us on this journey through time as we delve into the rich tapestry of global traditions. Our journey begins thousands of years ago with the dawn of civilization itself. As societies took shape, traditions were born, becoming integral parts of human culture. Let's delve into some of the oldest known traditions. In the heart of the ancient Egyptian civilization, rituals were deeply entrenched. They revered their pharaohs and deities with ceremonies that echoed their beliefs and values. Moving westward, the Romans were no strangers to grand festivals. Saturnalia, a precursor to modern Christmas, was a time of feasting and merriment, reflecting their love for life and camaraderie. Turning to the east, Chinese dynastic ceremonies were a spectacle to behold. The grandeur of the dragon dance, or the solemnity of ancestor worship, these traditions were, and still are, a testament to their rich cultural heritage. These ancient traditions, varied as they are, share a common thread. They shaped societies and influenced generations. These ancient traditions laid the foundation for the diverse cultural practices we see around the world today. As we fast forward to the present, we see the birth of new traditions reflecting the ever-evolving nature of human societies. Modern threads in the tapestry of time are woven with vibrant colors of technology, globalization, and social change. These influences have given rise to contemporary celebrations that resonate with our current needs and values. Take, for example, Earth Hour. This global movement was born out of our growing awareness and concern for the environment. Once a year, millions of people switch off their lights, creating a powerful symbol of unity and commitment to our planet. Or consider the International Day of Yoga. This day is a testament to our global society's recognition of the ancient practice's physical and mental health benefits. It is a tradition that transcends borders, merging the old with the new. From ancient rituals to modern celebrations, traditions continue to shape our world, connecting us to our past and guiding us into the future. Our journey through time reveals the diversity and richness of global traditions. From the sun-drenched festivals of South America to the profound ceremonies of the Far East, each tradition carries a piece of our collective history. They remind us of our shared human experience, highlighting the importance of understanding and respecting these customs to foster global unity. Remember, every tradition is a thread in the tapestry of time, each adding its unique color to the picture of human civilization. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to the Tapestry of Time.